Got the old excavator loaded up. Gotta go get after it, make some money. If you let grass grow under them, you ain't putting no money in the bank. Alright guys, if you want to come along for the ride, we're going to be taking that fence down behind that excavator right there over to the corner, and it's very hard to see. We're going to be removing this pine tree right here, and I'll have more footage as we go. But we're going to just do some renovation on this property, make it nice again. That's kind of what we do, make things nice again. It's the next day. We're cleaning up. I can't always do this easy, but when we're doing farm type work, well, that is a residential home, but we're right beside this big farm. And with that excavator, I can load that brush right there on my little dump truck. And you can't see it, but we're going to run it way over a holler back over there, put it on a big pile in a big holler. So, once again, I like to work smarter, not harder. Yeah, you can chip all this. It's that old gnarly pine right there. It's no fun to chip even with the excavator. So, today we're just hauling it down in the valley. No big deal. Load number 2. That little bit of scrap there, I'll get it with the skid steer. I got the grapple on it today here too. Making life easy. Taking this maple tree down right here too. Clean it up the exact same way. I love this easy job. I know you can't see good, but why not go for a ride with me down here in the valley? The sun is bright this morning. And the old square body, nothing like it. Look at this beautiful dash. Custom. I think I got the only one just like that. It'd be hard to replicate that. Now this right here won't do this justice. I'm going down in a big hole right here. It's steep. As I say, you can't see it too good for this nice, beautiful, clean windshield I'm working with. There's the old pile. It will grow as the day progresses. Alright, that looks like it never happened. The soybeans will never know the difference. Let me spin you around here and show you. That's yesterday's fence removal. It'll go to the recycle. That was part of an old dog fence and the border fence. That's what's left of it, and the roll of wires right there. All right, Alright, here's a different view of that maple we're taking down. Not sure you can see it in the video, but the power line went right through it, so it was just best to remove it. I got another little area and some debris I'm cleaning up down here where there was an old dog fence. It was overgrown badly. But we're gonna make this place nice. One side of it's gone. Maybe you can see the power line right there. They just done a trim job on it. Split it right down the middle. We're just totally removing it. Alright, that's the last little bit of the maple on this tree job. It's getting windy out here. Got this pine tree cut down to the stump, ready to grind. While we was here, did a little bit of grading on this road to keep the water from encroaching on this home. As you can see, there's no more maple tree. We got it cut down, ready for grind the stump on this one also. And the yard looks a little bit rough, but we're going to be doing some more grading. We're going to put in some gutter drains. So we're going to tear this yard up pretty good. Not going to dig that stump because that's going to make a... I don't know if any of you guys have ever tried digging up a maple stump, but boy, have they got the roots. We're going to grind that out and just put in a couple of gutter drains. Just going to show you. Down there's where the old dog lot was. Now this place is going to look really nice when it's all said and done, but we have made a large improvement to what it was. Thank you for watching, guys. I'll see you on the next one.